In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. This integration is going to keep you organized by automatically syncing your completed tasks with your calendar, ensuring that you never miss out on tracking your accomplishments. To get started, head over to your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, Zapier is a platform that lets you automate tasks by connecting your apps. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button labeled Create. Give that a click. Now, direct your attention to the option that says Zaps. Zaps are essentially automated workflows that connect your apps and services together, and that's exactly what we'll be creating today. With the basics in place, it's time to set up your new Zap. By clicking on Trigger, you are identifying the event in one app that will start the workflow. In this instance, type in Microsoft To Do when prompted to search and select the option when it appears. This step is crucial as it tells Zapier to keep a keen eye on any new tasks that you complete. Next, click on Choose an Event and opt for Completed Task. After making your selection, click Continue to save your trigger settings. We'll go through another prompt to continue, solidifying the choices we've made so far. Next, let's shift our focus to the action part of the Zap. In this section, look for Google Calendar using the search bar within the Action tab. This is where you decide what the Zap should do once the trigger has been activated. Choose an action event that suits the way you want your completed tasks to sync with Google Calendar. The next step is selecting Create Calendar for your action event, and then, once more, click Continue. Now it's time to enter text or insert other data to give some life to your calendar entry. This could be the task name, or any relevant details you want to include. Select or input the data, and choose the subject option or another suitable field that mirrors the task's importance or details. Once you're satisfied, hit Continue again to review things so far. Now, it's time to put your setup to the test. Click on Test Step to ensure everything is working as expected and your data will transfer correctly. Finally, with everything in place and your test yielding the desired results, click on Publish. This will effectively connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar, setting your automated workflow in motion. You're all set now. Your tasks will seamlessly appear on your calendar, saving you time and keeping you effortlessly on track. Happy organizing and stay tuned for more tech tips.